It's the premier destination for advanced vision correction with the broadest range of procedures available in the entire state. Chu Vision Institute in Bloomington provides personalized solutions for patients, giving them the freedom to see more clearly, which sounds so nice. Thank you for joining us today on Minnesota in Company. I'm your host, Jessica Fix, and joining me now from Chu Vision Institute is Dr. Ralph Chu.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you for coming. So tell us about Chu Vision Institute before we get into our fun game that we have.
Yeah, we started
today.
in 1999, so we've been around for 26 years now. And our specialty is procedures that help people see better without glasses or contacts. So LASIK, Cataract Surgery, EVO ICL, SMILE laser vision correction. We're the only place in the state of Minnesota that offers that technology.
Wow, so really just breaking it down, so making people's days easier, not having to deal with glasses, not having to deal with contacts.
Yeah, it really isn't just about getting rid of glasses. It's about increasing your independence and your freedom and your ability to connect with the world. It gives moms the chance to be able to see their babies without their glasses. That's one of the most amazing things we do.
I love that. Okay, we have a really fun game that we're playing today.
I'm excited.
We are doing truth or false, so you can play along at home. So the first one, we're doing the misconceptions about cataracts today. True or false, everyone will get a cataract. My guess would be false. The answer is?
Actually, it's true. So it's a natural part of aging for the lens to get a little cloudier, a little stiffer as we age. And it starts around age 45 and 50 when you first need reading glasses. But if you live long enough, you'll start noticing things like you can't see as well at night. You start having trouble with headlights. And so those are the earliest symptoms of cataract. And so if you live long enough, everyone will eventually get a cataract.
Got it. Okay. And that driving at night thing can be a game changer if people can get that fixed, I would guess.
Yeah, and that's what people ask is like they get worried because they start losing their feeling of safety on the road. So low light conditions where it first shows up, and then when it starts showing up day to day with your daily activities, that's usually when people start seeking out surgical advice.
Okay. The next one, true or false? Cataract surgery doesn't hurt. I'm going to say this is true.
That's great. You are correct.
Yay!
Yeah, so surgery techniques have come a long way. There's a lot of fear associated around having your eyes done. And so, drops are really all that's needed to kind of keep the eye from hurting. But most patients choose a little mild sedation, so they don't have to see or feel anything coming towards their face. And even after surgery, 99% of people don't even need Tylenol or Advil. So it's a very comfortable surgery to have and also to recover from. There's really no discomfort.
So there's really nothing to be worried about.
Well, it is your eyes. It's one of the most important
Yeah.
senses, but the actual surgery techniques have gotten so much safer over the years where, it's a very quick recovery. People are back to their normal activity usually on their first day.
Wow. Okay, the next one is cataract surgery is a one-size-fits-all procedure. I'm going to say that is false.
It's actually, that is correct. So
Okay.
What's amazing about modern cataract surgery is we're not just removing a cloudy lens. Now patients have choices. Different kinds of lens implants help people see better at distance and near, and the computer screen. And so it's an amazing time. And one of the most amazing technologies that, we're really one of the leaders in the country in is this light adjustable lens technology. And so it is a customizable technology that allows patients to adjust the kind of vision they want after the surgery with no more surgery. It's just using a light to adjust the shape of the lens to improve your vision.
That's nuts. It's really cool technology. We're going to do this last one kind of quick because
Okay.
we're having too much fun today.
Okay,
So
yep.
true or false, cataract surgery has a long recovery time.
It has a very short recovery time. So you're back to your normal activities usually the next day. There's no patch on your eye with our surgery technique. And so people can use screens. A lot of patients drive themselves in. And so it's a very, very pain-free, quick recovery after cataract surgery.
Really cool. I'm going to tell everyone how they can get in touch. To get an evaluation by Dr. Chu and his team and to learn about your options, call 952-592-4424 or visit chuvision.com. Chu Vision Institute is located in Bloomington, and we would like to thank Chu Vision Institute for sponsoring today's interview.